Mars has always fascinated humanity. It's a planet full of possibilities. We dream of walking on its surface one day. The first steps will be the hardest. We must learn how to live on Mars. Exploring Mars is a huge challenge. It requires advanced technology and brave astronauts. But the rewards are great. Mars could teach us about the history of our solar system. It might even hold the key to life beyond Earth. Rovers and drones are essential for exploring Mars. They can cover vast distances and collect valuable data. Electric power is the perfect choice for these vehicles. Solar panels can provide clean energy. Batteries store power for when the sun is not shining. Electric rovers can study rocks and soil. They can search for signs of ancient life. Drones can scout ahead and map the terrain. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. They could be valuable resource depots. But transporting materials between Mars and its moons is difficult. Space elevators are a fascinating possibility. A cable extending from Mars to its moon could lift resources. Reusable shuttles are another option. They could ferry supplies and materials back and forth. Section 4, Earth to Mars and back again. Traveling between Earth and Mars is a long and complex journey. Current spacecraft take many months to make the trip. New propulsion systems offer hope for the future. Nuclear-powered engines or ion drives could shorten the journey. A trip to Mars might take only a few months. This would make missions safer and more efficient. We could send more supplies and bring people back sooner. Section 5. A connected Martian future. Imagine a future where humans live and work on Mars. Electric rovers and drones explore the surface. Space elevators or shuttles connect Mars to its moons. Regular spacecraft travel between Earth and Mars. This is the vision of a connected and mobile Martian colony. It's a future driven by technology and human ingenuity. Exploring Mars is a daunting but inspiring goal. It's a challenge that we might one day overcome. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more exciting content.